bro.
Timing, nigga, big money.
You can keep it, bro. You can keep it.
Nah, you a real one, bro.
Oh yeah,
I
this my
appreciate
shit
that.
right here, nigga. It's that real gangster shit right here.
This is that shoot the motherfucking joint up music.
That real,
Remo
that's
knows
that real
something.
Mexican gangster
What
shit.
happened
to you? What's going on?
Oh, what's good, bro? It's Carmi, gang. Park your shit.
Is this a call me or what?
Yeah, we just vibing, gang.
Yo, I'm dropping the alcohol. Y'all pick that shit up.
That shit gonna
Oh,
get
you
me
got the
fucked
drink
up.
over there?
Nah, that's gonna get me tripping.
Oh shit, man. Y'all let me get a bottle, bro.
I gotta play some shit.
Dropping whiskey. Pick that shit up. Bruh.
Well,
Yeah, y'all clip that shit. Get it admin right now.
Pop that motherfucker.
me, bro. What?
Hey, nigga got VDM? Nah, don't take him, nigga. Don't take him. Don't take him. Leave him right here.
Yeah, he's good, he's good.
Watch
Get
out,
out,
watch
Nigga
out,
got
watch out.
VDM. Leave that nigga right
Oh,
here.
yo, my fault, bro. I didn't mean to smack you, bro.
I got slapped.
Admin finna get bro. I got a clip.
That
Yo,
nigga
yo, my
no,
fault, bro. I
post it
try to shoot
Niggas
that
can't even
man, bro.
vibe, man.
Swear to
Oh,
God.
Yo,
that
I
motherfucker.
got him on
Slapped
accident.
396.
Oh.
that nigga Tiger weird.
Damn, bro.
396.
That was that nigga Tiger. You
Got
weird.
some strength.
Hey, bro, when you
There's
come
hella
back,
red
yo, I'll
markers
give you
on the
your
floor.
bread, bro.
Bro, who wanna hit this?
Nah, real talk, man. I ain't
Good.
gonna
Pass
go
around
out like that,
K2.
bro.
Hey, woo.
What it do, man?
Oh God, bro, look, hit
Front of
this
my
shit.
car,
It's
man.
fire, bro.
Oh my God.
Not a
Whoa!
bitch.
They did not just do that to
Whoa.
us, gang.
Niggas be doing that shit on
damn.
purpose, nigga. It was
Alright,
being tripping.
we gotta pull it out.
Everybody start
Hey,
calling.
now we gotta pull some shit out. Well, what we doing? Put shit all over the floor. Runs. I'll take the runs.
I didn't even call my fucking Unless that dude's in my fucking Rolls Royce right now.
I'm gonna pull out from my car.
Oh yeah, I'm taking all that. Whiskey. I'll put the auto.
I'm parking my Rolls right next to his though. I ain't even gonna cap.
That's
Niggas just dropped a bag of shit on the motherfucking floor. I got hella alcohol, hella motherfucking weed.
Oh God, bro, who wanna hit this blunt though? God no, bro. What the fuck?
Hey, any of you guys trying to buy an AK?
That nigga.
Niggas sound high as fuck.
I'm trying to get rid of this AK. I ain't going.
Bro, oh God, we gotta form a line back to the city.
The nigga Rambo go.
Bro, definitely just said the hard R.
log off. I come back a couple hours later. It's pained, and the rims are bad.
Yeah, we can fix that. We can fix that. You gotta delete that hoe. Get that shit up out of here.
Hey, don't flame my shit.
Really, bruh? Really?
For the music.
Cold where I need a blanket.
Damn, bruh, that was foul.
I know you took
What you
going
got?
there?
Someone be a fuck.
Dude, hit your shit,
I don't need
man.
see him. You know my baby mama, she don't even let me see him.
Hey, man, that's fucked up.
God, that's some real shit. Try got my right fair thing I did before. I'm sitting in the cut. Top, it's just us, nigga. We at the top, nigga. It's just us. No motherfucker. Yeah.
I gotta go re-get my fucking car out. I'm fucking dumbass.
Line up right here.
He knew he
on the
couldn't fit
G-body.
through that.
Line up on the
Stupid
G-body for a picture.
motherfucker.
Hey, Mike, come over here.
Of course he still hit my car.
I can't get out none of my shit.
Hey, he wanna have pen love. I don't fuck with emergency. I'm gonna die on that 250. But you know, I still pay for him. Go spray for him.
Oh my god.
Team when I was saying when I jumped off the party. The third
Hey,
fucking
fuck
block.
Hey, 451, you mind if I bump that
God.
line real quick?
I got you, bro. I got you.
Shit, my bad.
Hey, old head, I got your number.
Tell Willie Nell got
You sure,
shot.
gang?
It would have been different if I was out.
Hell yeah. Oh, head Jones.
Okay, yeah.
It's about out of time with I kick a door with out you on the ground. You a Papa Zanet with the Papa nigga top.
Bro.
Run up
I fucking hate the
spot.
GTR now.
451, it's right there.
Alright, bro.
A real 1800 block.
No, I ain't got your old head.
Oh my god, is that a
Alright,
fucking
come
cop?
close to me. I'm gonna tap
A
in with
real
you.
1800 block. Early corner sniper gang. A real 1800.
Bro, there's like cops headed towards
I
Lean.
read HOG, nigga.
Oh
Yeah.
God, big hop out shit, nigga. Step on a nigga
Definitely
neck.
cops headed towards Lean.
Yeah. Okay, I got you.
Yo, where the fuck my whip go? Yo, did I DV that bitch? Wait, what? Tripping.
Damn, I was trying to hit a dab and this fucking music turned on. Nigga.
I gotta pull back up because fucking dumbass. I wish I saw my tuner, bro.
Basketball. This is the motherfucking
Oh,
block.
nigga, I had your shit whole time. It's old head, not old. My dumb man. Oh, hold on, let me get it right.
Hey,
Oh, yeah. You go forward this one right here, old head.
Shit, lean up right here, gang. Somebody else get in here between me and bro. Throw something up.
Who got the red lights on us? That shit tough as a motherfucker.
I think that's my wheel, honestly, right there. That rolls. Yeah, that shit's mine.
The motherfucker.
Bro, why
red
is this
lights
car
go
turning
hard as
into
a
mine?
bitch.
Yes, sir.
She got the shit blowing, nigga.
This car's turning into mine.
Hey, get my nigga right here real
Nah,
quick.
get some on the blood shit.
What are we listening to? Streamer mode for you?
They got the stat in his motherfucking palm.
Don't hit my car, bro. Don't hit my fucking car, bro.
40 bands each hand.
Y'all flicking up?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that nigga Rambo.
Hold up.
Hey, put that bitch on nighttime and take a picture too. Like,
God, my
that
shit
look
at nighttime
clean.
too.
Y'all's chains is busting for real. That red.
Nigga, them shit's light the fuck up.
For real.
But hey, it's up in the dark. Let's see that motherfucking ad, nigga.
Yeah, these are fucking clean.
Right in front of my nigga trap. My bad, guy.
My fuck. My fuck.
Oh, it's that Zap.
Hey, Woo,
Okay.
do what you did. How you did that picture?
That
The
looks
angle. And that angle.
I'm high, so I gotta wait till it's done. I'm almost done being high. That should be done. So fucking hot.
2 more days, nigga, and I ain't gotta fuck with this torch no more.
Hold on.
Let go, yeah.
Gonna have that motherfucking G-Pen connect.
Damn, where that one was at? Big GDK, nigga.
Big BD shit.
Rambo, get in the flip. The hose.
Rumbo, get in there, Rumbo.
The
Yo, get right in the
hoes
middle.
gonna love it.
Hold on, let me move.
Yeah, just do a post.
That bitch, I need it.
Alright.
Feel
Hold
me?
on, let me throw my shit out now.
Fell off. Draco won defeated. Hit your block and then I bleed it. But let's see.
Hey, come on, y'all, pose up. The 3 on the car right here. Let's get you posed up in the middle.
Alright, let me check my
And
pose.
put that shit in the thing.
Oh no, wait on my pose, wait on my pose. Naughty bop.
Run.
Yeah.
Alright,
I'll
stay
fuck
like
with
that.
that one
Let me
that's
post
not
it up on the
posted, man.
avenue.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all stay like that. I'm gonna post it
This
up.
axe I got smell
Hey,
like
Woo, you
straight.
seen that when I posted?
Stay like that. Look back. Look at it
Selfie crouching, selfie thought Instagram. What the fuck?
Hell yeah.
That big game, man. Oh yeah. I'm
That shit is
green.
hard.
This little thotty gave me the motherfucking digit. This was just my bartender.
Hey, that one that Rambo posted was hard.
Yeah, the one that Rambo posted hard.
Gotta see
Which
that
one? Oh,
motherfucker.
you seen the one
I
I
gotta put
posted?
one on that Twitter
Yeah.
shit. Yeah, I got Twitter, right?
Everybody like that
Yeah,
motherfucker.
gotta post on that too.
Hey, we really the niggas with the most likes in this shit.
Nah, for real.
The other day, someone posted some hop out shit. This shit had like fucking 6 likes, and then everybody else has 0.
I'll take
Even the
one for
nigga
the Twitter.
Rambo. Look at the nigga Rambo's post. 2 likes, 1 like, 2 likes. Niggas don't be liking that shit. But they liking his. It's probably some thotties.
I think some hard flicks though.
Oh yeah.
Oh
Yo,
fuck! I didn't even know this shit need a red
what
shit.
up, 40?
Who the fuck calling me on Discord?
How do you pose with that money like that? You got a what?
Type in money into
Bro, hop out gang on top. Bro, fuck these things. I fuck with y'all, bro. Y'all dope. Hey, hop out on top. No, I'm just playing. Bro, are you still here at the meet? Where'd you go? How long you been there, mate? No. You got bored, huh? I was just chilling. It was a vibe because nobody was talking shit.
Bando Wapo. When did you send that?
Mate,
Yes.
when do you want to play Duncan?
Probably at like 3 o'clock. If you could get me,
Bet.
if you could get me 4 people to join my Discord in the next.
It's gonna be hard to do, mate.
No, it's not. It's like probably one of the most. I try to get this dude to fucking join, but he don't have. So what I'm gonna make custom clothing, bro. Right? Custom
Hmm.
chains. And I already worked on 2 today, just fucking random shit.
You know how to do that shit?
Yes. It's actually really fucking hard, or really confusing. A lot to do. But I watched this one guy, and he fucking just like pretty much showed me like how to just make like badass chains and put diamonds on them and change the colors. But like it also costs money to buy new chain, like buy more chains because
Hmm.
it's like $10. It's like $9 per chain. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But like if someone buys a fucking chain, then it's like okay, I go buy this. I go buy like 5 of those. I go buy 5 fucking new chains. You know what I mean? With that
Hmm.
$50, and then boom, it ain't shit to make the emblem. And then just fucking send them ideas of what they like. Like that fucking gang that I was just with.
Hop out.
4 of them. No, not Hop Out. Well, Hop Out was talking about custom clothing. He was like, I need a guy with custom clothing. The other guys, they're like, bro, I need you to make my custom chain. They're like, I'll pay you to make my custom chain. And bro, that's a fucking business right there, bro. Like
They're telling you.
yeah, they were telling me they're like, bro, I'll fucking. They're like, if you make one and we like it, we'll pay for it.
Hmm.
I was like, well, fuck, dude, that's a win-win. You know what I mean? I'm getting paid to make chains, and I could pay for anything I really need.
Hmm.
And then boom, if I just get a fuck ton of people to join the Discord who are active and want chains and want clothes, bro, that's infinite money. That's a lot of money.
That is a lot of money. Pull up in here talking about 100K, bitch. I'll shoot you. Hmm. Well, I thought. You little sack of shit. Oh, fuck.
Yo, what you boys on? Y'all got mics?
LRP kick.
Exploding much? If you don't talk, I'll get you banned.
It's like secretly watching your stream.
Well, I'm actually watching my stream. It's so smooth.
It's like secretly watching your stream.
You hear yourself?
Hmm.
I have a delay on, so I can't get streams tonight unless I'm
Latency.
here. Yeah, but I could get.
Yeah, I turned my latency to do the same thing, where it's like a 30-second delay.
So a motherfucker, if he sees me in a turf, he doesn't know exactly where the fuck I am. Cause there's motherfuckers that join here and they're like, bro, tell the dude at the gate I said what's up. I'm like, all right. Like one dude named Bando, he was like, bro, I'm about to fly in. He's like, save up your packs, bro. I'll buy them when I get on tonight. Shit.
Was that the dude from what you call it? Lean the other night?
Yeah.
I wish he would have. We got him. We got him. Dude's sketching me out. He just logged or something. No, he didn't. Yo, 823, is that your car? No, I'm just playing along. 823, is that your GTR?
The white one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's mine.
Hey, yeah, that's so clean, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, yeah.
He's looking at you. I see his character's head turn.
I'm gonna be like, damn, bro, can you unlock it? Damn, Cuddy, you trying to unlock that bit?
You said what, Gango?
I said, you trying to unlock that bit?
I forgot the keys.
Shit. Damn, bro, your shit fast as fuck.
Indeed, my boy. You can take it for a test drive if you want. Go for it. Fuck it.
Shit, bet.
You get in my car, I'll kill you.
I'm not getting in your car. Oh. Hey, bro, this ain't your car, boy. Did he say anything?
No.
Bro was fed. That was funny. I'm sorry. That was some funny shit. Just fucking with you, gang. Oh, that's my whip.
He said, what gang?
I said, I'm just fucking with you, bro. That's my whip.
Oh, I know. I know.
I'm glad you played along, though. That shit was fun.
Nah, word.
What should we eat
Bro,
on
sir.
823? I know you eat something.
Watermelon sour patch. That shit is
Hey,
head
that
on.
shit sounds hella
That shit
fire.
is good as fuck. You want some, gang?
Shit, I ain't even gonna lie. Hey, what the fuck you shooting my car for?
Shit, bro, you got 3 flat tires. You might want to change them, hoes. Damn, it's like that, Cuddy. Yep, they took carry out.
Nah, I'm mad comfortable. I ain't gonna cap. No.
Y'all boys looking to join a gang?
You said what gang?
Y'all boys looking to join a gang?
Shit, what gang?
Trappaholics.
Oh, word.
Yes, sir.
Yo.
Yo.
What's up, bro? My mic setting was fucked up. You said something about a gang, bro, with Trappaholics?
Sir.
Word? Y'all nice like that?
So we ain't gonna be doing like nothing like free, you know what I mean? But like there ain't no payment. Y'all ain't got paid or nothing like that. It's just like gotta be a shooter, it gotta be a trapper, you know what I mean?
We both got gang experience. Me and A23 over here.
Yes, sir. Y'all in the trapping Discord?
What happened? What'd you say?
Y'all in the trapping Discord?
Yeah, we in the trap Discord.
Alright, bet. Y'all send y'all put a dot in there and I'll add y'all, send y'all my cord and we can get in touch.
Yes, sir.
I be doing daily streams too.
Oh, word?
Yes, sir. Yeah, my boys up at Lean right now. They're doing a whole car show and shit. They got like fucking 10, 15 people out there. It was doing like a photo shoot. Shit was crazy.
What's your stream?
The Mike B.
The Mighty B?
The Mike B.
The Mike B?
Yeah, if I invite you to my Discord, I got my shit in there. All that shit. I be making custom chains, custom clothing. The boys be in there sometimes. Yeah, I got my stream going up in there. I got one for YouTube, one for Kick, and one for Twitch.
Damn. Okay.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah. I just put my dot in there. Shuko Boss.
I bet.
And I'm gonna invite him too. This motherfucker.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, I'm tap out real quick.
God damn, now I'm getting put on.